Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Guys, so today it's a Labor Day here in America and it's a holiday. And I am on my day off and we're going to the air show in Cleveland, Ohio. We are watching the US Navy Blue Angels. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you. Look at that. Ayan, good morning. Beautiful people of the world. That's my hobby. Ayan, it's cloudy. So guys, see you there. Bye-bye. Hey guys,
There you go. I love the color of your car.
Thank you.
Follow the flaggers. Have a nice time.
You too. Okay, nakapasok na rin kami sa gate. Oh, thanks. For almost 30 minutes in that. Here you go, Cleveland. Please, cloudy, go in the other place. Ayan. See. Time check. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and they are flying soon. Very soon. Okay. The parking is so very organized. And let's go for a walk. Yeah. Where are you?
Are we double parking?
Where?
Are we double parking?
Yep. And parking. Okay. And okay. And here you go. Let's go. We're going now to walk. Andito na kami, guys, sa pinaka-entrance. Ayan o. Ayan. Napaka-cloudy. Wow. But this is weird. Hello. So, andito na kami sa entrance. Ayan. Ito yung entrance. We are here in the entrance. Hello. Nice. Ayan, nandito na kami sa air show. United States. Sheriffs. Ayan, dami mga pulis. Nahuluhin tayo. Ayun o. US State Army. Okay. I'm hoping all are safe. Ayan ang papanoorin namin. See. Ayan. Ay grabe, it's look like it's a little chill. Okay, me too. Okay, see you guys while they are flying. Look at this US State. Grabe, napaka-grabe. Ang daming tao, guys. Yak kami sa US Army. Hello. Yeah, thank you. Ayan. My cousin is the US Army. Grabe ah. Ayan na naman oh. Ayan yung upuan nila. This is US Army. Ayan mo yung mga chair nila oh. And the first aid. Yan, US Army helicopter. Grabe guys. Maubos na kaagad. This is now my third time to see this. Ayan yung upuan nila. Tsaka yung mga seatbelt. There's a helicopter. It's a big. This is the one that we're watching in military channel. Ayan, hello. Morning. Ayan, tingnan mo. Oh, magiging pilot ka. Ay, yung pilot nila.
Yes, sir. Where'd you come from?
Tingnan niyo. Nasa US Army ako. Ayan oh. Ako na lang yung mag-ano sa kanya. Taga-bit-bit. Wow. Yan yung Red Cross. The United States Army. Yan. Kaya man din. Yan, Marine Corps. Holy moly, it's going now to be rain. Then my habit don't bring that. Ready. I'm always ready. It's gonna be rain. Yan ang air show. US Navy Blue Angels. Ayan. So proud to be the Navy. Guys, maulan. It's raining. I don't use my phone. And I use the GoPro. Because it's so heavy rain. So all my picture is here. And we are going to our chair later. Yeah, we go over there. Yeah, we're sitting over there. Yeah, ganda ng tanga. Ayan ang downtown Cleveland. At ito yung kasama kong guwapo. Ayos ah. Tingnan mo oh. That girl. We are in the US Navy. I can do it. Here's the Blue Angels. I want the Blue Angels. Here, oh. They get souvenir. My favorite time is the souvenir. It's $48 with the hoodie. Ayan oh, Blue Angels. Ayan. I want to look. Hi! Ayan, ang mga Blue Angels. Oh, I like the blue one. Ayan, Blue Angels. Dream kong makasakay sa helicopter na ganyan. Ayan. Ayos na. Where's our seat? Did you check our seat, Han? It's so very nice. Makasakay man lang ako dito, oh. Ayan yung pakpak. Oh, tingnan mo. Ala, ang liit-liit. Sakay man lang ako dyan. At walk dito, guys. Grabe, ang daming tao. Ayan, may nag-exhibition. Ayan. Ayan na yung Cleveland. Downtown. Grabing lakaran. As in, super sugar. Kita niyo yan? Ang daming lakaran. Ayan, o. Doon yan sila mag-exhibition. May nag-exhibition. Yung kasama ko. Oh, exhibition. Kung gusto mong mag-learn ng flight. Han, we're gonna fly. Sightseeing flight, so. Are you Filipina? You're so Filipina. She's like a Filipina. Ito yung what is this? US military. US Navy vampires. Tingnan niyo. They're gonna fly here in downtown. Kasi lang napaka-cloudy talaga, guys. Pero enjoy. It's a lot of walking here. Bring my umbrella. Ayan, nag-iingay na. andito na ako. Pa-fly sa airplane. Hi, hello. Good morning. Ayan.
Alright, so our primary job on this aircraft is anti-submarine warfare. So what we'll do is we'll get sent out into an
Guys, you cannot allow. Dito na ako. Pa-fly kami ni Happy. Submarine. Ito yung US Navy or Emergency Rescue. Ay, grabe. It's so very relaxing over here, guys. Rescue number 55. We go there in the US Air Force. Grabe talaga. Napakaganda. Ang daming tao, guys. Kasi sa engine. Pa-picture daw ako sa engine. Ano yung ano ko eh. Yung iPhone ko. Ayan. Papasok kami dyan. Grabe, ang daming tao. Yung US Air Force na airplane. Helicopter. Andito na kami sa loob. Oh, ayan. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Yan yung loob ng US Air Force. Hi, saan mo yan? Thanks for their service. Grabe, ang laki-laki. Sila na sila. Yan yung loob. Ayan. Ayan yung upuan nila. Try nga. Wow. Ito yung US Air Force. Helicopter. Airplane. Wow. Ang dilim. Ay, that's cool. If you want to see that over there, the driver over there. But no, we don't want to go up over there. Okay, grabe, napakalaki. Grabe, guys. Napakalaki. US Air Force. Exhibition mamaya yung Blue Angels sa upuan kaso maulan.
We'd like to thank the friends over at Signature Flight Support. That's the big in the world at the end of July every year. He runs Sky Country Lodge. It is a bed and breakfast on his own strip.
It's stunning, and there's a lot of clouds floating that are less than 1,000 feet, and in the box would be a little tight to do much.
Gave us a high-speed run and it's those strokes.
Angels na nag-perform. So, lahat na, uwian na. Uwian na. Uwian na. Yeah, because of this weather. Look at this weather. na ang lahat.